Combating bladder symptoms such as urgency, dribbling, and urinary incontinence can be as simple as a few acupressure points. I will be demonstrating some acupressure points to facilitate healthy bladder function. So first, I'm going to show you a few points in the bladder meridian channels. These points are helpful for a lot of different bladder symptoms. So bladder 27, 28, 31, 32, 33, they are located at the sacrum area. 31, 32, 33 are actually in the holes of the sacrum. 27, 28 is actually just 2 fingers away from the midline. This is going to be a little bit hard for you to locate the exact point, so I'm just going to show you general area massage. So what you can do is you just place your fingers along the sacrum area and you just kind of massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you move it out to the side, so you kind of target all the points in this junction. I'm going to show you on your own body too. So when you do it on yourself, you can just put your hands behind. You find your pelvis, and then you kind of just move down to the sacrum. Spread your finger. You go from the center out, and then you just kind of gently massage. You can go up and down. You can do circles. You can do side to side. Once you're done about 2 minutes, you move to the side a little bit further out. Same thing. 2 to 3 minutes. The next 2 points are, we call the conception vessels 2 and 3. They are actually located right above your pubic bone. So if you find your pelvis, it's just right above it. So what you can do is just place your finger to where the bone is, and then you just sit right there. 2, it's just right above the bone. 3 is 1 thumb width from the bone. So again, same thing. You can just do a few fingers in the midline of your body, and then you just kind of massage up and down, gentle pressure for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the next 2 points are especially helpful for those who have to wake up at nighttime to go to the bathroom. These 2 points can be helpful to kind of stretch your sleep a little bit more. So there are conception vessels 4 and 6. Same thing, they are actually right in front of midline of your body. 4, you just do 4 finger width from your belly button, right here. You just massage it 2 to 3 minutes. It might be a little bit tender. And conception vessel 6, it's actually 2 finger width from your belly button. So once you find your belly button, you do 2 finger width, and then you find the point, and same thing, you just give it gentle massage for 2 to 3 minutes. The next 2 points are more like assisting points. They are not specifically targeting the bladder per se, but they kind of help in the system. The first one is called splint 6. So you're going to find inside of your ankle, you're going to put 4 finger from inside of the ankle bone and the point right above it. You just give it gentle massage. If you're afraid you're going to miss the point, again, you do a couple fingers along the line. So you kind of massage along that meridian channel. Then you won't miss the point. The next point is kidney 3. Kidney 3 is actually between your Achilles tendon and your medial inside ankle bone. So you find the 2 location, and then you go to the midpoint. There's a little indentation. Same thing. You can do a few fingers along the line, and then you just kind of give it a massage. We love to hear your feedback and comments below. Let us know what you think of this technique. Hit the subscribe and like button if you want to see more of these kind of videos, and consider hitting the thanks button and leaving a donation. I'm Dr. Huang, and thanks for tuning in.